This is my review of Chipotle in Vancouver. And this was interesting because I was if I knew, because no one told me prices, which was weird because I got the veggie bowl that I get at every Chipotle I've gone to, and this is my third Chipotle. Oh, that looks kind of watery, that sour cream. I don't know, the food doesn't look as fresh. The food didn't look as fresh at Subway or at the Chipotle. And then another thing I noticed about this Chipotle, they don't give you as much food as like they gave me in Atlanta. So I'm still back. This is my, let's see, I think this is my third time going to a Chipotle because I went to Chipotle in Atlanta. I went to Chipotle in New York. I went to Chipotle. Yeah, I think I only went to Chipotle those times. And this is my review. This time I got a Juaritos, a mango. I don't think I've ever had the mango, but I was shocked by the price. And it helped me understand, from my time in Canada, it helped me understand Canadians more when they say they can't afford Canada. Because that Juaritos, it costs $3.50. If I was in the US, I would have paid 75 cents. If I knew it was that much, I would not have paid that. And like, you go to a restaurant, they might charge you $1.50, but $3.50 at Chipotle, that was overpriced. And then I got the queso blanco. I decided, because I get that every time, and they charge me $1.75 in Vancouver, and I have a veggie bowl. Because they say, because I've heard that if you get the meatballs with guac, they'll charge you, but if you get the veggie bowl, they don't. And I got the veggie bowl, but this time they charged me for that, and in total, I at least saved because I paid cash so that nobody asked me for a tip. And it was $18.52 for the burrito bowl, the veggie burrito bowl, and the Juaritos, however you want to say it. Yeah, so that was a shocker that I was charged for the queso blanco and the Juaritos. Oh, so expensive. And that lets me know, don't buy it outside the US. Or unless I go to Mexico or something, because... Oh, and it even says Quebec on here. Product of Mexico. Oh, yeah. These must be made specially for Canada. But if I knew I was paying that much, I wouldn't have got it. I would have waited till I went back to the US and paid my 75 cents. And even convert that down, that $3.50 to USD or whatever, American dollar, that's still overpriced. And it's like, some things I don't mind, but that was overpriced, and I didn't get that much food. Because when I was in Atlanta, it fed me where I could eat a couple of times out of that bowl. And everywhere else, it was like a one meal bowl. If you like, watch and subscribe. Bye.